Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's free video, I wanted to start off by showing you a little bit of an excerpt from the Peter Diamandis newsletter that came out this week. If you're not subscribed to his work, and especially if you're kind of a futurist mindset, it may be something that you enjoy. But what I was really looking at today was the idea that by 2030, 15 trillion will be added to the global economy, through this focus on AI. So if that idea is going to come through, I think one of the first stocks that we have to look at is AI, right? So it really speaks directly to it. You can see that it's had a really significant surge over the course of the past couple of months. And why I'm bringing it to you tonight is not only the confluence with that little excerpt from the newsletter, but also the low compression daily squeeze that has seen 2 bars of shifting momentum. So I'm not going to tell you for sure that this is immediately headed higher, but what I am going to tell you is that if you pick it up at the 21 EMA, maintaining that position as long as you continue to close above the moving average, I think that squeeze has potential to carry us up into 53. And then from there, I'll look to manage and see how far it can move. Also, companies that are, already very well developed into this, a big part of it is Tesla. And Tesla has a focus on 300 right now. So a little bit of a down day today off of the, just broad market weakness. And of course, if the market is due for a deeper correction, it always could come back here and fill the gap. I know there's a lot of traders that are looking for that. But, in a trending kind of market, I'm usually going to look for support to show up at these moving averages. And today the 5 was tested. So let's see how we open up tomorrow. But I really just want to give you the idea that sometime between now and when Tesla reports earnings, we're going to see that print up into 300. So another name that he mentions in that newsletter is Microsoft. And Microsoft, if this was the only name you looked at today, it would have been hard to know that the market had a correction, right? We're seeing greater than average volume, so that's a step in the right direction. You're seeing that it tested the 10 and then closed above the 5 EMA. So these are all ways of measuring momentum that show us momentum is still there, and a product that I believe you can target up into 357. So let's see how Friday opens up, give ourselves a little bit of time to, get through the abbreviated holiday week. But as we get into next week, barring any, drastic changes to the market, I am looking for higher prices in those 3 names. And hopefully that provides some helpful trade ideas. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in one of the chat rooms tomorrow. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.